your phone fits today? No, my phone. Where's my phone? Shit. Where I left my phone? I don't know where I left my phone. I think it's on the counter across from the dining room. Find it?
Yeah.
Thank you. There we are.
Good evening, kings and queens.
Hi,
Happy
queens, hi,
Thursday.
kings. Happy Thursday. How y'all doing? Tired, you say? Yeah. Nobby, long out here because I'm exhausted.
Nation, good evening.
Nation, good evening. How y'all doing?
How's everybody?
Come on in. Happy Thursday. Yeah, I'm going for some Wednesday. Pat Williams, Anicia, Nation, Henry. How you doing?
Anicia.
That's the only people.
Barnes.
Good night. Gillette. How you doing, Gillette?
Shelly.
How y'all doing?
Kimberly.
Hello.
There's 2 Gillettes.
Oh, there are 2 Gillettes.
Yes, good evening to both of you.
Good evening to both Gillettes. Everybody doing well? Yes, I hope everybody's doing well. Everybody's having a wonderful, wonderful Thursday. I'm exhausted. Yeah, and I haven't been feeling all that well. So
Haven't been feeling the best.
right, the best. But
Waverly,
good night. Good night, Queen. How you doing?
bless up yourself.
Bless up yourself.
Again, happy Thursday.
Yeah, so guys, you know, when I really come on with punk crowd, you know, we just get to what we come for talk about. We still have 1 ticket remaining for the Women's International Awards in Canada. You're relaxing, Gillette? That's nice. Sometimes it's good to relax, you know? Yes, every now and then you need that relaxation. Right?
Yeah. Bella,
how you doing, Bella?
Dawn, good evening.
I'm gonna know some. I'm gonna tell lies. I can't hide certain things. When things bother me, I have to talk about it, and I come out here for get into something that that bothers me. I mean, I'm gonna tell you why it bothers me, because there are a lot of things on social media. I just make it fly over my head. I'm gonna look upon certain people. You understand? But before we get into that, right? We still have. Good night, Suzette.
Suzette, good evening. Bless up yourself too.
Yeah, did we say hello to Kimberly?
I believe we did, but if not,
Dawn,
good evening, Kimberly.
Dawn, how you doing, Dawn? Good evening. So yeah, like I said, we still have 1 ticket left to the Women's International Achievement Award taking place on the 24th of this month in Canada. If you haven't already gotten your ticket, make sure you still got some time. Patricia, how you doing?
Patricia Lamont, good evening.
Lamont, good evening.
Yes, so we have that 1 ticket left. It didn't work out with the person who was going to receive it. So we do have that 1 ticket left to give away. Yeah,
after we gave the ticket away, the persons that they wanted to give the ticket to, it's not going to be able to make it to the awards. So we still have that ticket up for grab. All right, and before the night ends, I hope I'll be able to bless someone with it, so they can go and enjoy that show. All right, let me just I notice I have some queens in here that have been following our platform for a very long time, since, as a matter of fact, before we even started doing lives.
When we were doing
videos and stuff. We try to. It's not everything on social media or everything that happens we jump into. You understand? We are people like this. We don't just like to jump at when any particular situation arises. We like to be able to get the facts. That's number one. Whenever something happens, our first thought is, how can we make the situation better? If it's a situation that, that we can do something about, right? That's our first initial instinct. And thank God I have a friend like that. Whenever we don't always hear what happened in the news, sometimes, things just, because we're so busy, some things might miss us. And I'm gonna say all of this to get to my point, all right? Because I wanna be able to be calm tonight, because this hits me really hard. And I swore to myself that I would never come back out on social media and address certain people. I've buried a certain person, and I thought that person, in my mind, I thought that person just like disappeared, right? However, back to the point of our platform, we always try to come out here and make a difference. Way before we even got monetized, and Gillette is on the live, she can attest to this. And I'm calling Gillette out because I know it's safe for me to go with Gillette, because she's been here since day one with us, to attest to say that we came out on this platform before we even got monetized, and we started giving back to our supporters. That's what we do. We never come out here, and nothing against anybody that comes out here and asks people for stuff, or pin their cash app or stuff like that. We don't look down on anyone, right?
That's their choice. That's their
choice.
They can do whatever they want.
They can do whatever they want. Anybody that knows me, because I said this so many times, when it comes to kids, that's like a heartstring of mine when it comes to kids. So when we heard the news about the 8-year-old little girl, we didn't want to jump on social media to talk about it. Instead, Vanilla and I took the time out, and you know what we started doing? We started looking for suppliers who carries protection for kids, devices,
GPS
tracking devices for kids. Because we said to ourselves, it's unfortunate that child had to go out like that in such an horrific way. Nobody deserved that, let alone a child. But we cannot resurrect this child. But what we can do is, we can find ways, if it's even 200 kids, we can't save the entire Jamaica. But if we can find devices, tracking devices, and offer them to our supporters, we don't know how many kids we can save. And if it's even one, that would be awesome. So that's what we took our time and we started doing.
As soon as we heard that news, that was the first thing we did. We didn't say, oh, let's come out on social media to discuss it. We said, let's find a way to be able to prevent another child from having to go
From
through
being
something.
assisted. Yes, say it for me, Vanilla, because...
Statistic.
Thank you. Thank you. Right? That's where our ex were. Now, I was on the Observant TV listening to a live because that's someone that I support. And my name, her names, were thrown into this, I don't even know what to call it, because it is so despicable to use a situation like this of a child to exploit a child in the most disgraceful way. Exploitation to the highest degree, to earn some stars and to earn some views.
Sick.
And then this despicable,
Say it again. Despicable.
despicable, B-I-T-C-H, has the nerve to throw our names and other people's names into our rantering, right? Because ultimately, that's what that live was about, views and stars. On the back of that child that have lost her life in such an horrific way. No solutions to nothing. The name calling. I'm talking about wanting us to unite. Unite with who? With when? Where? How? Not with me. Not with Vanilla. Huh? And then you threw Auntie's name in there, saying that she's the one you're going to make the stars off of and the cash up off of. No, it was the child situation. You used that because people thought you were heading somewhere with that topic, somewhere useful. You're despicable. I heard people all this time. I thought it was just social media bantering. I said this person really can't be so awful and so wicked.
Can't stoop so low.
But
to utilize a child's death.
You're disgusting.
For monetary gain.
Yes. You need a job. You need a job. Your cupcake them not selling and you need a job. You need a job. And beyond that, you need a life. You understand? We'll give you a job tonight because we know you're going to come back out for us, which we're not in that. Because the only reason why I talk tonight is because you put my name in a live with a child that you claim you came out here to advocate for. How low can you go? Then you're going to put people out, throw every one of us into the life because you want us to come out and address you. I'm giving you what you want tonight. So you can make some money to pay for the surgery that you couldn't afford. You understand? So you can't go now and make a live on me, which me not responsible for. Me no response. You can do whatever you want to do.
Now look.
You understand? Who's you to come tell us when we should talk? Where we should talk and how we should talk and how long we should talk.
And why we should talk.
And why we should talk.
Yeah.
Who made you Facebook social media president? Huh? Who the hell did that? On a claim so we're anti-thief. And she a scammer. But I've never seen her. Ever since I've been on social media, I've never seen that woman come out here and use a dead child. Exploit a dead child for some cash up, some stars, and some views. We have the evidence on you. Show me the evidence then we have on her. Because that out of your head is the fact that we support her. Get over it. Go look one dog for walk before them dog walk you. I'm sure they still have jobs in New York and all over for walk dogs. We will buy you a pooper scooper. You understand? Somebody need to give this girl a job. Whenever our cupcake them not selling, she come out and she attack people. I am sick and tired of you. Come off for me. All you gonna tell me big, me not shape good. Alright. We know all of that.
And all
now
you're gonna
get
tell
a
me,
life.
And all you're gonna tell me is that chocolate talks more than me, and I don't talk enough. And you're gonna call us all kinds of names under the sun. We don't care.
You understand? Me know all of that. Me ugly, you're prettiest girl, but you're still broke at the end of the day, and you're still bothered. People's success drive you crazy because you're worthless in America. You're worthless. You are worthless. 1 minute on a get up on a cuss Jamaica. If somebody from Jamaica says something on a comment, the first thing on a have to tell the people them say them they're third world country. On a cuss them even down to the pothole of Jamaica where them not have no control over. On a cuss them like them my government down there. Illegal thing on a take out an American passport and flash it across the screen. Like say it give no oxygen. And a show off on our own people, pan nothing. But one thing happen now, and you see the opportunity to get some views and get some stars, and everybody else now have no art. Because you want to use that situation to get some views and some cash up. You're despicable and worthless in America. I'm not taking it back, and you can say whatever you want to say about me. Me still a gonna live good. Me still a gonna married for 30 years. Yes. And me still not gonna make no man turn me back way, cut me up on the wall, and soccer me because I have my husband to do all of that. Me come out for you tonight. When you call my name with kids, you understand this woman will sit down here. Not only come here, come chat. Me have videos on top of videos. Jennifer Gooden, if you're in the comment, she can tell you. Me supply kids with tablets of Jamaica. Me supply kids with clothes of Jamaica. With backpack, back to school, and the amount of videos when we get from mother and kids. Now, one day, I came on social media and post one of them. Because the praises not belong to me.
Belong to God.
You understand me? Me supply an entire institution of Jamaica with pregnant women, with diapers. So when they call me name, with adults, hold on, vanilla. Because when me get like this, you know, sir, nobody can talk.
I know, but just to say that, and the diapers weren't even a one-time use or reusable.
Me not care about that. Me not go in detail. I want make up a diaper. You understand? That's why me can't really coffee nobody when me sit down side of you. Cause me different. You understand?
All right, go on.
Yeah. You understand? Me give every time me come on this rotted platform, and it's not for praises. And for the love when me have for my people them. Who you chatting to? Action, not a bag of mouth. You hear? I love kids so much that me not care if I'm the worst person on social media. What tear me up, what go under me, what chew me, what make bus run over me. If them a talk about them pick me not care how much me like you. Me not sitting down and listen to nobody talk about somebody's child. You come out here with a speak, you spoke yourself. It's not speaking. What makes you have integrity? It's not big words. You understand me? I know looks. As somebody from Jamaica make a comment to Saba Uno, if first thing you know tell the people them, say them they in a third world country, so you can't argue with me. Because you don't have no food, you don't have no medical this, you don't have no medical that. And now me here not proud for be Jamaican. Why? When you're not cuss on your own Jamaican people, them on the name proud. When you not wave on a rotted blue book across the screen for sure. For someone to live in a first world country. You know. Say people them who watch you on a give no views, them are Jamaican. You don't want them views, then you don't turn around and cuss them. What you do for them? What you give back to them since you not get them views? More than shame them. Me put actions behind my talking. Wanna class me and tell me something, give people all broke at Jamaica. Well, you know what? Me put clothes on them back, whether all broke or not. Me put food on them plates. On a sure as hell can't call me no thief out here. Because I compound this shit with every damn thing. I sit no up on a sister and I can jump on it. For get some opportunists. On a class everybody at Jamaica. But when them athletes win, on our first one for jump up and put on flag. Put on the flag bound on a proud Jamaican. But as a Jamaican from the country, make a little comment on a platform. When I tell them how them hungry. Them not live nowhere. Them not sleep nowhere. But kind of heart you not have. And I come out here confront. Get back up. Go up, sir. Workless in America. Go get a job. Me can't get a job to come wash my wigs them on the weekend. Me that make you come clean my house for me. Instead of paying somebody else to do it. But I'm afraid of that thief from me because you thief from your own papa. You know who you are chat to? None of we never exploit no child for get no food or pay for nothing what we gonna get done. We for live above what means. Me now for blow up my kitty them for no maggot. Because you sure as hell they blowing up them for no man. And when you're going to a coffin, that's when the maggot them are gonna enjoy that shit. All this time, yes, you're jealous of me and my boobs them. And then you I can't talk about me jealous of you and your body. Move from here, sir, and go sit down. But Batty, what Batty I do for you? What Titi I do for you? More than make you sit down on the internet and bad mind everybody where you see a progress. And I do something with them life. Your cupcake them not selling. Go and go clean out one hog style. Anybody have no job figure? Nobody have no hog style down in Jamaica where they want clean. When they have no cow down there, when they want somebody for raise. Nobody have no batty wall with no ear in there where they want somebody to sit down and tweeze out. We can't afford the waxing. I can't see good to shave it. Somebody give her a damn job. Give her a job. I'm over it, people. My family, if you're there, you come off. Because chocolate not come to play tonight. Me tired of underprivileged people that come call up my name when me not see them. Me not see you. Me think me did really bury your ass. Me don't know where you resurrect from. You can't have a friggin' life and a call up a name. It not got change. For me, support the planka boss and your majesty and all the people that want you call out where you not like. Yes, me support them. Wanna eat me, make the old cupcake convict. Come off of my name now. Wanna eat me. Me prefer uno cuss me. Uno cuss me and make the girl that take me name off her tongue. Who don't need nobody to go over Riverton dumpster go clean up over there? Who don't need a pit tile to one build up? Give girl a walk. She desperate. She getting little monetization and little stars and she just live upon the people to make some stars. Your people them can't get stars without your cost people. You can't get cash up without cost people. You're not skilled like that. With all the education and the speaking book, you can't get some stars without cussing people. And be so despicable on the internet. Huh? That can't happen. Them still have dog walker work in New York. Buy a paper. That me don't know if they still sell paper, but go on the internet and go apply for it. Google. Nobody not a big dirty store where they need somebody for dress. Go and go dress somebody store. Worthless woman. Come off from the back. Me no member you. Me no know you. Me no care for know you.
Don't want to know.
Me strictly dickly.
Me too.
Leave us alone. Me tired of you. How dare you call up a name when you come out talking about you're advocating for a child who've lost her life in such a despicable way? What's the solution that you found? What kind of difference did you make? Why you not got Jamaica go march? You want the planka bars to put up picture and do all of this. Why don't you take the police since you're so passionate about it? Why you not go on down there? Wanna run up on the mouth because you live in America and talk this and talk that. And not only got Jamaica once in a blue moon. You sit down and you're classy woman. Me never see she scam nobody yet. And exploit nobody yet for name the big fish them where you claim so she name and get fat. Me not fi sit down here out here and exploit nobody for buy food for make me fat. So me have a right for be fat. Me can't afford food. Me not fi come out here and cuss nobody for make nobody give me no money and stars for go buy food. How about that? Get yourself a job. Go look at work. You're worthless.
Very worthless.
And you sit down and try to justify your worthlessness. I have idiot people sit down and cheer you on like it's okay to be worthless. No, you can't carry house when you're dead, but you sure as hell can left it for your picnic. So your picnic not have to come through the same struggles that you have been through. I know everybody I got one house. Me not come out here and ever show off for nobody. But nothing what me have. Me vlogging at my house so you ever seen at my house. But now make it look like say worthlessness should be glorified. No. For as much time you say you're on social media and as how long you're there America and the big money them where you brag and show off say you make, you should have something to show for it. You shouldn't over there bad mind me auntie for your juicer. According to you, the big money them where you make from cake, one cake should have been able to buy a juicer. According to you.
Right.
At 350 and 350 make 700. It ain't that serious. Everything. Wanna get up and ready for crucify the woman for? You eat, sleep, and wake up with the woman by your mind. Obsession was a person, it sure as hell would be you. Nobody know to live better at Jamaica. You know much people at Jamaica live really nice and no one coming at this beach up here? You what kind of people know? Sometimes I have to ask myself, what kind of people rotted know? You know much people at Jamaica and live better than people over here, sir.
True.
I want to take Jamaica for. Yes, me agree. Say the violence, all of that. Yes, they need to work on all of that. But no get up and class on our own sister and brother them down at Jamaica. All the time me hear it. All the time. First thing, a first world country we live in. Anybody ask or no? Might as well somehow did live in a third world country. Only that reach somewhere. Because in a first world country and come here and be worthless with it. Me sorry you ain't in charge of deportation for deport them raws out of your country.
Me too. Cause me sure woulda.
Wanna sit down all them hours wanna sit down on social media and cuss people. Wanna know if wanna invest them the hours there in a something. How productive wanna that be?
The amount of time you sit down on people's name, if you are doing something productive, you know how much money you could have?
Who don't need to sit down up here and just steer through the window down at Jamaica in a people's life. Who don't want to see people in our own country live good. What kind of animal uno is? What kind of dirty people no is? Huh? Uno eat the fact that people in a Jamaica are live better than uno up here and it a burn uno up. Nobody may send on come here to sit down and be worthless. No ambition, worthless. Woman uno is. You is. Me come for who come for me. You understand? Me not come out here come trouble people.
You started it.
You understand?
We not bother you.
You me come for. Frat him out, y'all. We come out here and want to get veneer pan we name. You understand? I want to pay for your titty them pan we name. Leave well alone. You understand? Go look and walk.
Get a job.
Go look and walk. Go drive a forklift or something. Nothing wrong with that. Go walk people dog. Nothing wrong with that. Me a gear walk them will fit you. So you can last long on your assignments. People down in Jamaica have work for you too.
Pick up garbage on the roadside.
Yes.
There's plenty. You can do that.
People don't get raised hog. I want somebody to clean out them pigsty. Go apply for it.
Go put
down I gully. One of love cuss my auntie and say she live pan. Me sure there's some paper down in I gully need to pick up. Go clean up your gully. Since you want to do something for Jamaica, go down there and clean up the friggin' gully.
Go pick up some cow manure. You don't go like that.
You understand? One heap of work down there for you too. Since up here now work for you. People from Jamaica, anybody have work, call in and get a girl a job. You don't have the pigsty down there. You don't want somebody to build up a pit toilet out a door for you. Even if you don't have one inside. Build something. When you don't have big party, people can use it. She available. You don't give some work, man. You don't have no cow down there. You don't want somebody to raise. She can do it. She will be good at farming. Tired of you. How dare you use a situation like that? Why didn't you just come out and talk about the child, since you are so sympathetic towards the situation? Speak on your behalf. Where you drag we in the for? You think you're my mama? You could never be my mother.
Me either. Glad some of my mother never done like you.
Go look a walk. You're too worthless. And you keep them not selling. Nobody don't want them.
Nope.
Everybody trying to stay off of sugar. And fear them overloaded with sugar. Sugar and water up on top of them. Nobody don't want them. Go and try to fry dumpling. Go fry dumpling. Try dumpling. Go and fry some dumpling. You understand me? Go fry dumpling. Go open one coffee shop. Go make coffee. Oh, that not gonna work for you because you tried tea business and that never did work. Understand? I don't need anybody down a Cayman's Park to wash down the ass them down there. Wanna hiring? Hire this bitch. She need a job.
Then say the Canadian government are higher.
Go and pick strawberries over Canada. Get on the job program over there.
Do some farm work over there.
Go and pick strawberries. Go down to Florida, go pick orange. Go do something with your life. Instead of get up every day and a spit up on your phone and chat about people who are move ahead in a life and don't remember you. Tired of you. You and everybody out here, so many people have gotten into it. There comes a time when you have to go look in a mirror and look on yourself. Because it can't, if it be just everybody, sir, against you. Who you? You are such a troublemaker. You cuss off people, delete your life. watch way. Why? Why you want to come steer up in my bumbo? Why? Why? Huh? If you eat with so much, why you want to sit down and watch somebody where you eat? Why? If we turn bad, why you come over you can watch two people we turn bad for? Me not get it. You delusional, sitting wrong with you. You have mental issues. You have problem. And we can't fix it for you.
Can't help you.
It's a disgusting piece of doodle. Go and look them have work down a Manhattan. Go Manhattan. Go in the west side of Manhattan. Go apply for your dog work, for walk dog. One. And stop use we for make money from. Illico stars them, it take long for add up. You have a cost from now till eternity if you see a good little return. You understand? You know what bust up his stitches them pan your titty. Go on, go walk one dog. Then you have a nerve for bringing the lady's child. On top of the child who have lost her life, you brought in Planka's child into the conversation.
Sick.
You know, sister, you're rubbish. You know, sister, you'd have to be fling all over a place because nobody wouldn't settle with you. That's why you have a problem with me that somebody settled with. Somebody got down on their knees and asked for my hand in marriage. And it burn you up so much. And you want your funniest thing? I'm more than one proposal me get. I do a one man me date. Yet the shape bad girl. The shape bad girl. The dirty girl. There's nothing left where you can tell me. Like me say, because you call my name in the same live with a child that you claim you come out for advocate for. You're disgusting.
Very disgusting.
You're rubbish. You're rubbish. And when you go back on your life for class me, just know, sir, you're still, when you come out for the life, you're still a go worthless in America.
You're still a go rubbish. Still gonna be a piece of rubbish.
And to me, you're coming like this like a dog what we did have at Jamaica. There was this like a dog what we did have. One called mongrel named Pep Pep. You remind me of Pep Pep. Pep Pep just bark and bark every little thing Pep Pep bark. And you walk up to Pep Pep him run. Pep Pep. Bandit. Pep Pep. The Cupcake Convict. Leave me alone.
Leave me alone too.
Yeah?
Now look upon you again.
Leave me alone.
Second of
Pep Pep. Leave me alone. When you go cuss me again, just remember, you are still Pep Pep to me. Yeah. And will always be Pep Pep to me. Pep Pep, the Cupcake Convict.
That's a good one.
Who don't have anything to give back more than scream at her camera. Who does not impact people's life in a positive way. More so out here to gain because she feel like everybody is ahead of her and she's trying to play catch up. I didn't do it on social media, sweetheart. I did it before I came. Years before I came to social media. You understand? That's why I can come on you when I feel like it. You understand me? Me dey on vacation, the woman dey on my name. When me cock up on beach, I sip. Me say the woman dey on my name. Who does that? Huh? Maybe there across the rotted world, the woman dey on my name. Huh? I write my name like a dick. Huh? Me know you're hard up, seize up, and well up. But stop riding me. It's not my type. If me did look that way, you're certainly not my type. Because your mouth corner them always look raw. Just to make you know. Your mouth always looks stink to me when I see you up on a video.
She herself
you understand?
Stink. Period.
Yeah. Me not do kids. I don't do kids.
Kids are off limits.
Kids are off limits. I don't do kids. I don't care who you be. If you start talk about somebody's child, I'm not sitting to listen to that. You could have been the worst somebody with class me. I'm not sitting and listen to somebody class your child.
It's wrong.
You understand? Why you not ask? Why you not just ask? The plank boss to run a marathon for you. Because you're desperate. You're suffering. Because you're irresponsible with the things that are important in life. All you think about is somebody's looks. That's it. And class somebody's body. I'm gonna see which part of your body exciting. You understand me? Me not see which part. Me still I try to see which part. Me not see it.
Me either.
You understand?
No,
me not see it. Because just your ugly attitude make all of you so ugly to me. You're nasty. You're nasty. You sit up in your car looking like you're in your nightgown in a big first world country. You nasty looking. You nasty. You look, all the time I see you look like you don't beard. You're nasty.
Yep.
At least beard before you come out class way. You understand? At least beard. Leave us alone. When I come out, you come bother nobody. Cuss yourself without mentioning it. Understand? Make it just be a fragment of your imagination.
Look in the mirror.
Fragment of your imagination.
Yeah, look at the mirror and cuss.
Leave we alone. Time now for you get up off a woman at Jamaica. Me understand. You're out here for a very long time. And if you see somebody come and just take over and I do so well. Me understand when bad mind reside in you and you can't take it. And then she have some people what she associate with where I do good and I do well and it burn you up. You understand? She like winners, not losers.
Not losers like you.
Go look and walk. Understand? Go look and walk. Go look and walk. Go walk, dog, mister. We will give you one of the tracker so you won't get lost.
Yeah.
You understand? Go and walk, dogs. Before somebody dog walk you.
We'll send you the little bag so you can pick up the dog poop.
Pep Pep Cupcake Convict. Go and get a dog walking job. And stop because you get a little stars and from Facebook. You want create fight with everybody so you can have a back and forth to make some money because the cupcakes aren't selling. Go and fry some dumpling. Go at the dumpling, the dumpling and fish restaurant in a New York. The fried dumpling place. I'm gonna see if you can apply for your job up there for fried dumpling. Because it keep things apparently not working out for you. You understand? Go and fry some dumpling. You're too worthless. And since Jamaica is so much on your mind, somebody down there will offer you a job for clean pigsty. You understand? Yeah. And clean up a place. Because you're so,
and chicken coop.
You're rooting for Jamaica. You want to see Jamaica do better. Go down there and start cleaning up a place. Start cleaning up the place. Pick up the trash them off of the sidewalk. You can start with that. Get one machine and start chop the bank inside them. Yes. Do some landscaping down there. You understand? Go ahead and start fix up the potholes them down there. You understand? There are a lot of things you do down there to help the country. Than sitting in your damn car chatting foolishness when none of you do nothing to contribute back to our country. More than cuss the people them down there all the time to tell them say one of their first world country. Wanna live like third class. Eh? That makes sense? Where's the sense in that? Make that make sense? Of course, enough people, enough time in Jamaica will live better than you know. That's one of the love which when I people them face. You guys are in a third world country. I live in a first world country. First of all, y'all can't curse me. Then can't cuss out on a Ross. Same way. Who cares? Who cares? Who cares?
Right.
I when I sauce a banana, I tell them about them Ross, you know. Same way. The end of the day, now human being just like everybody else. And them have to come off on a country. Come de-stress. How about that? Tell them say them live in a first class, but them have to come off on a country. Come de-stress. Because stress will kill them. Because they're worthless. Worthless. Come here. You know much people that love to come here, come make use of the opportunity. Be in, be out, sit down in a car, just a chat on a class people. We go about them life and I do them business. No much people that love to come here, come take up them hours there to find themselves a little job for do. And help take care of them family. And up here waste time. All you can do a brag and show off for the people them. I don't know nothing to show off about. Can't up here live worse than a lot of them down there. Hot me phone, man. And people with to show off, not show off. I don't know. Get up a show off. When I dry shit in on a battle wall. When I get up and do payments to this and payments to that, and then on come on social media, can take out on the stress from people, one no can't make on a payment. Hang on a hat, one cannot friggin' reach it because no want appear a certain way. Two, who no same black people them. Two no same Jamaican people them. And then call it Jamaica trust. And I get up and trust. To come show off upon our own people them. And then when the bills are kick on the ass, and I come take out on a frustration from people on the internet. Worthless!
Very worthless.
thoughtless. Me glad say Jamaica so modernized now, you see. That no found no can't go down to go fully people them no more. Me glad social media come in. For them see you know and pick you know out. Can no found no used to trust the people them sitting and go down to Jamaica and dress up in the most this and that. For show off for no one people there. Me glad no found no down the wake up too. Make them climb the damn coconut tree down go pick nothing for them. Run them. Make them roast them one breadfruit. Because when they up here, then go like them better on now. Run them. Not too terrible. Me sit down enough time past on YouTube and you on a video on a class. Live in a third world country. You can't chat to me. You can't chat to me. Me live in a first world country. Me don't have to do this. Me don't have to do that. First world country. Da, 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 da. I want them putting up on a rotted plane and deporting a Ross, you see. Somehow, no. Them meet on out at the airport and just bomb rush on a Ross. On a terrible.
Very.
And as something go down at Jamaica, one of them athletes shine. The green, the black and the gold.
And the flag
Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. And up here now everybody know that Jamaican. Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaican, Jamaican. Oh, that's my country, that's my country. And as soon as somebody from a country says sitting down, wanna use that same country and cuss on the same Jamaican people. On a terrible. When a them sit down and give no for uno, most of the views them. So I can make a little sitting off of social media. And I get up and show off and class them. God forbid if one of them ever reach out to one of uno for something. He put per lighthouse top. The classing. No dignity, no class, no empathy to say whether you're annoyed or what, but leave it offline. No, we have to put it on lighthouse top for shame whomever asks us for a little favor. But it's the same people sit down day after day, nights after nights, and look upon a worthless ass and give them the views. Terrible. You use that little girl's
tragic death.
Tragic situation. To come out and class us. You are the lowest of the lowest. You are despicable. You will never ever walk in a my shoes. In a none of the queens them what you call out shoes. Most certainly not in a planka box's shoes. You will never walk in a our shoes. You can't cuss with till the dogs come home. Or you can't post upon whatever side for people tear way up. At the end of the day, you are still Pep Pep, the Cupcake Convict. And you're still despicable for using to exploit a situation like that for cash app and stars. While we were over here reaching out to suppliers in trying to buy tracking devices for as many kids as we possibly can We can't save the one who passed, but we most certainly can try to prevent it from happening to another child. That's how we think. That's who we are. Nobody would have known about this if your name call with name. Because we'd have just come out here and give to we supporters them. And we supporters them sit down here and watch we and know that is the God honest truth. Because that's what we do from day one we're out here.
That's who we
give
are.
Back. That's who we are. And when I come on here and take it and cuss nobody, nobody can say they ever got anything from this platform, and anyone besides themselves is aware and vanilla and high. I don't just talk about my country. I'm about it. Me take flight for go Jamaica just for go sleep. Just for go sleep. And nobody no know me down there.
Sure.
To contribute back to the economy of Jamaica. Just to go sleep for a long weekend. Me just no want no phone. Me just no want nobody come bother me. And me say, Mike, me just a go for a long weekend. And go lay up on the beach and come back. Me no come out here come show off for my own people them. Anybody who bumping on me and Vanilla can tell you guys how down to earth we are. Me will sit down upon the ground with you.
Me too.
Me will sit down under one tree with you. Me will sit down upon the fence with you. Me will walk barefoot with you. You hear? A summy roll. Summy roll. Me the America for how much years, but me will go a river with you. Yes.
I love river.
Me and Vanilla we walk in a rain, barefoot, same way. We will take off with slippers and give to somebody and walk barefoot.
Go with
and
it.
I know nothing that way.
No, go with
I
it.
fun that way.
Yeah.
Yeah. I own them that where you sit down and a cuss. Just because we support certain people on social media. And nobody pan this bitch ain't gonna bully us into not supporting who we support. Like me say, me give everybody we support the opportunity for eat way. Turn around and eat way, because we now gonna turn around and eat you guys. Turn around and eat way so that she will leave we alone. Understand? Turn around and eat way. Turn around and cuss way. Make up something pan way and cuss way. Your Majesty, cuss way, so she can leave well.
That's your one.
Auntie?
Yeah.
Auntie now cuss way. So no make no sense for beggar.
No. No.
Majesty now cuss way.
No.
Me not think none of them are gonna cuss way. But me a beg you now. Then cuss way. So we give her all clothes when we have a store.
And in that same life, we gave away stuff from our store.
With tags, panic.
Yeah. Brand new.
But they curse people for things that they can't do. Because them come a foreign and they're worthless. We work with ass off. And we're independent women. We not depend upon our husband them.
Nope.
For a damn thing.
Sure
We
don't.
not have to tell them when we are help somebody.
Nope.
That's how independent we are.
We just do it.
We just do it. Understand? You get up and cuss me for the fact that I've been with one man and been with my husband for 30 years. And in the same breath, I heard you talk about, passing through YouTube again, admiring a marriage for 50 years.
Right.
Wanna lie so much, tell her not forget on her own lies. You guys are not
Contradict yourself so much. Contradict yourself a lot. Make sure when you tell a lie, you keep it straight.
on a bad mind, every female wanna sit out here and try to make it instead of, you know, on a watch and take a page out of their book and do something with your lives. Instead, it becomes jealousy and bad mind and bitterness. Nobody out here is supposed to shine. Nobody out here is supposed to make it. Nobody, no. They have to be on a worthless bus with you. And then I have to be in America, anywhere, Jamaica. I want to come from. Where you come from? Like me say. Sorry guys when I pay attention to the comments because I come for this time, for this bitch. I mean, I like call people out of them name, but yes, when you're gonna put me in a live, a content that is supposed to be about a child, a tie.
Right.
How dare you?
Sickening.
Dare you? Want come bully people for do what you want them to do? Una. But I answer to girl when them call me. Just because you mention me in that situation, because to me, in a family the head me bury you. I don't know what made me go listen to that live. No offense to the Observer on TV. She's just doing her show. You understand? And as somebody that may watch. I don't want to tell people who them for watch. Who them for
support.
For support. You not pay my phone bill? When I did
that
when
social media.
Did that when me I buy my phone? A grown ass woman like me. You not gonna tell me who for comment me can comment under and who me can throw up a like gay.
Or love.
When me not go on people platform go cuss out nobody. Or class nobody. You no one can have power over me and tell me who for support. I wanna from. I wanna come from. Like me say, me will come out of this bitch and sit down and chat to one person. Because this don't pay my bills. This don't feed me. This don't send me on vacation. May I give away credits before we monetize. Ask my supporters them. Had that up. How much years me out here? I give away credits religiously, not just credits either. Money.
Not to mention what we do.
And never beg anybody.
Nope.
You understand? Yeah. So, if I want somebody to watch me, I ain't losing a shit. Not a damn thing. Not a penny.
You're observant.
Big
Pick
up
up yourself, queen.
Big up yourself. Yeah. Don't ever put my name when you are going to talk about a child. Anything else, me not see you. Me not see you. Don't see you. Don't know you. Don't want to know you.
Nope.
Yeah. They're on vacation. Troop on my name like bubblegum.
Like Wrigley's.
Yeah. Leave me the hell alone. Go look a walk. Go a Manhattan on the west side. May I tell you. That's where the wealthy people them there. And go walk them dog. You're going to need a little pooper scooper. And then they will provide you with that, I'm sure. And like a bag. To clean up your shit. And they will pay you. You understand? Not being a nanny, because I don't trust your own people picking.
No. That's not, that not gonna work.
You understand? You were going to go raise the people and pick me for be bitter like you and bad mind.
And have dirty heart.
And I feel what that. I got fried dumpling. Go to the dumpling shop in New York. Go apply. Because cupcake now work for you. Go try make dumpling. You understand? Go make fried dumpling. Go and make fried dumpling. Yeah. Or somebody hired down at Jamaica because she want uplift Jamaica. She wants some changes made down there. Somebody hired her down there. Go and go clean up over Where place name? Dumpster, River Sinting Dumpster. Or go up on the highway and start pick up the trash them. Go with one machete. Me can see in a water boat. Wear the short wig there. You understand? Wear the short wig there with a pair of water boat and get a cutlass and start build up the highway them down at Jamaica. You understand? And that them use the prisoner them up here for the clean up the highways and stuff. You understand? You already fit the criteria. Go down to Jamaica as an ex-prisoner and clean up your country. You understand? Adapt them do up here with the prisoners them. Then make them clean up the highways them. You never pass and see them out there cleaning at them stripe and orange jumper. You understand? Me still have the orange jumper what me can give to you. You bring it down to Jamaica with you. Put on your water boat. Put on the short wig there. And start friggin' chop. Build up a roadside. Pick up a box juice box then. Me sure there are some box juice box. Sits down there. You understand? You get up and cuss people all the time. Third world country. Look on the igla them even in market. They might be there, might loud and all of that, you know. Not all of them. Some of them might loud. But them still they sell them stuff. You just get up and chat, so and no cupcake now sell. Might as well you go down to Jamaica and build up. You understand? Start build up. You know what I mean? Build up a highway. Go and go maintain the new highway with them build up down there. Go and go keep it clean. Yeah. You know what I mean? Go on. Go and go keep the highway clean. Start from Mandela Highway. Start out there, sir. If you need a start. Start out there, sir. And go and pick up some box juice boxes. You understand? Start clean up a place. Yeah. Go on. You will start help the country. Not talk pan nothing while go on down there. Just go on there, so they need manual work to be done. Yeah. They don't need a bag of chatting. They need manual work. You understand? Go on over Coronation Market when it market over and go and pick up. Go and tidy up over there for the next market there. These are things that they can use your help with at Jamaica. You understand? Yes. Yeah. Go to a bus terminal. When a bus them tap run, go out there with one broom and sweep up out there. Sweep up out that bus terminal then. Make yourself useful. Down at Jamaica. Then can use some help from you. You say you want to help the country. We are tell you how to help. Instead of run your mouth every day. Look a fat yes and look a raw and yes. Nobody no want to hear you.
Two mouth corner.
You keep up on a curse one woman each and every day. Woman I go about her business, I do photo shoot, and I hear a pretty one. Want to your photo shoot? Now you a pretty one with a good body and good titty them. Nobody not take no photo shoot picture of you. And then sitting there hot up your rotted head. Nobody not take no picture of you if you put you nowhere. You get up and make up stories that people that take pictures of you and stalk you. Who the hell want to stalk you? Who the hell you be? Anybody a foreign know you?
Right.
Who want to stalk you? The backside. Anybody know you for stalk you? Or who you? Already rotted.
You're not that important for anybody to
I want the backside. All around with you. We go downtown all the time and see real housewife of Atlanta them all the damn time and nobody now bum rush them. Up till last Christmas we in a place with what's your name from the real housewife?
Yeah, Kendra. No. Names at the tip of my tongue.
Me know who me a talk.
Yeah, me know who you talk to. She's the one that always Kenya Moore.
Yeah, yep. Kenya Moore. And nobody now bum rush Kenya Moore. How will you rot it all? And Kenya Moore way more popular than you. Nina Leaks. Candy.
Yeah, Candy Burris.
Candy Burris. See them all the time downtown. And nobody now bum rush them. You.
You think them?
Yeah.
Right.
You got ex-convict people are gonna run around bush and try to take pictures of you. I want the rest. I want to be say. When I make me laugh and I kind of fun in the backside. Social media full up a comedian. In the backside. No sir. Be done all downtown I say ludicrous. When me and they live right up the street there from me. When
Rick Ross.
Rick Ross.
Yeah.
And nobody now bum rush them and you.
Evander Holyfield.
Evander Holyfield don't live there no more.
Used to live there.
Yeah, he don't live there no more.
No.
Yeah. And nobody now rush the other people there and you. Where the box and paparazzi rush you. May I tell you, say you're delusional, you know? You're delusional, you're rotted. You need help. You need help. Lady, you need help. You know, me feel bad for you sometimes. You do need help. You need help. You need rotted help. Yeah. Yeah. People are hiding for take pictures of you. For what? I wear the box. For what? What list you for what? Eh? For what? But me dying trial. Eh? Everything when I say go out with the placard boss and create one story for go on for act like you go on for you know up here. Nobody not know you up here. Nobody don't know you up here. Nobody don't know you. Nobody don't know you. You can tell me somebody had tried for that janky a big stone, me that probably believe that. But somebody had to take picture. For what? And so much damn picture you there on social media. What am I going to hide for take picture of you for? Yeah. For what? Eh? If you drink some Starbucks coffee? For what?
Most.
Girl, go look a job. Go look a job. I make you know if you need help with your resume. You understand? Yeah.
Can help you.
Yeah. Go look a job. Go look a job. Because when you cupcake then not sell, you stress the hell out. You understand? And I don't feel fault. We ain't tell nobody nothing buy them. We never tell nobody nothing buy your cupcake. And them just look on it and decide they're not buy it. You understand? I know we
never have no control over that.
We not tell nobody nothing buy it.
No.
Them look on it and them say something circle up on the top and then I know what it is. And them not see when you bake it. So them not want to buy. That's words on the street. None of we not tell them not to buy.
No.
You understand? And we never tell Miss Princess, name fe, make you cater. Nobody named her near me. Maybe that's why she never offer you the opportunity. You understand? Nobody named her near me. I don't feel we fault that. You understand? I don't feel we fault.
I know.
Yeah.
We're not out for do with that.
We have nothing to do with that. You understand? You understand? So I don't have work for them things there. When I have nothing for when they did it when the arrangements were making for the food. We weren't a part of it. So no blame we because you cupcake them, no make it. Then no make it down at Atlanta. Yeah? Then just no make it nowhere.
No.
Sorry. And I don't feel we fault.
No. Stacey Campbell, pick up yourself.
Big up
queen.
yourself, Stacey. Then I make it. You understand? With the 20 people them already there at the carnival, I don't feel we fault.
No.
Then I make it. We know about the carnival. We live out here.
Carnival
We not go.
not keep.
You know, in our keep.
No.
It lame.
Nobody not talking about the Atlanta Carnival here.
It lame.
Nobody don't talk
It
about
lame.
it.
You understand? It lame. We're telling us straight up. It lame. Yeah. Very lame.
Very.
Yeah. Nobody no. No go. Empty. Yeah. Nobody no go.
It's empty like
And
your
I know
pockets.
we tell them no figure.
No?
Them just no go. Guys, it suck. Yeah. So, no blame we for that either.
No.
We're just living in Atlanta. We don't have nothing to do with them carnival.
No.
We don't have nothing to do with them carnival. You understand? We don't know what carnival people there. Yeah. We just know we never go. Yeah. You
There's
understand?
something to not keep.
We not
do
get
that.
We not get up and go shower and get dressed. Figure lame things. You understand? We're not got nothing lame.
Now waste my time.
Yeah.
We have better things to do.
You understand? So not blame me. Not funny. You understand? Not blame me. Go ahead. There is a fried dumpling place, if memory serve me correctly. There is a fried dumpling place pan, I think, at East Chester Road in the Bronx. Yes.
East Chester Avenue?
Upper East Chester side.
Okay.
We know there's a fried dumpling place. Go up there and ask if you can fry 2 dumplings. Cupcake thing now work out. You understand? Now work out. And it better you go there, so go fry dumpling, because if you fry it on your own, nobody not gonna buy it. But like how they don't know you. Like that.
But you might be in the box, so maybe they'll eat it.
You're on a back. You understand? Me like, I hear you if you come watch me with them on the weekend. I don't trust you. Yeah.
She might take them, you know.
I don't trust you. Yeah. I don't trust you. Yeah.
The dumpling shop at name.
So me give you advice tonight. Me give you advice on the jobs them in America for you. And I also give you advice on how you can help out Jamaica. You understand? Instead of chop up your beak each and every day. Yeah, Pep Pep. Yeah. Pep Pep, me give you advice on how to uplift your worthless self at Jamaica. Whether you choose to go to Jamaica or you choose to stay up here. Don't just hug up the damn book. It's not for you to just hug up and flash across the screen. You understand? It's for you to do something with the opportunity that you've got. You understand? It's never too late. You just have to come off of people's business and mind your own. That's it. That's all it takes. Yeah. So now, move along and go find yourself either a dog walking job or a dumpling frying job. You understand? Yeah. Yeah. Done with you. We're done with you. We have a ticket for anybody will call and want to go to Canada at the award show. Or you live in Canada and you want this ticket, call with now. And you get it. Yes, and my kings and queens, we're going to order some tracking devices. Alright? And going to reach out to me and tell me if I don't want for distribute, if I don't want some for distribute, we'll work that out, alright? We can't save every child, but at least I think this is taking a step in the right direction for protect the kids that are here. Yes. Understand? Come back now. But remember, you come off our life, you're still Pep Pep. You come off of the life, you're still worthless. No matter where you go class way and tell, no matter what story you go make up and way, you're still worthless in America. They have a movie named Coming to America. Your movie is worthless in America.
That's a good fit.
When you want make some stars, you think say that's the way to go to come and cuss out somebody. Write somebody for some stars and views. All of a sudden you want to do something for your country. When you see live when you sit down upon a class people of Jamaica, them a third world country, them this, them that, and the devil knows what. All of a sudden you see an opportunity with a child that lost her life so horrifically. Tragically. And you exploited that situation.
Disgusting.
For some stars and cash up. But you didn't want it to look so obvious. So you throw us all in there like you are the big cheerleader. And yeah, against crime. Trying to make us look bad. You can't make us look bad. You look like the scum of the herd on that life. Scum of the herd. Disgusting.
Despicable. Need to be ashamed.
While we were over here trying to find some solution. And you bring that lady's son into it, describing him as Big Ed.
You need to be ashamed of yourself.
Fishmouth gal described the woman's son as Big Ed. And then you're out here trying to advocate for a child. You know, sister, you're delusional. You know, sister, you're sick. You know, sister, you have some problem. You have issues. Medication can't help you.
None.
Disgusting. And you think that the people in Jamaica must stand up and give you standing ovation for that shit. They're not stupid. They might be in a third world, but your twanging don't trick them. Because we have first world education. Don't forget that. And though we chop up the lingua, and we might not put our words them and place them like you, but we're smarter than you. And them smarter than you. You understand? Them sit through you. Them sit through the smoke. They were just there to listen. No matter how much people, may not even know how much you have in your life, but a lot of them probably were just there to listen to the lunatic that you are. Whatless in America. That's your movie. You're the star of that movie. I know we make you whatless in America. I know auntie make you whatless in America. I know none of the ladies, them what you call another observant. I know Lady V. I know Ginger. I know Your Majesty. Sorry if I miss anybody. Understand? And at times, you made yourself worthless in America. Get over yourself. When you learn to get over yourself, because you're an insecure wretch, you know, you are very insecure. Because only an insecure female would get up each and every day and class other female and their appearances. No matter what the conversation is about, you always go there. Because you're so insecure and you want to convince yourself that you're beautiful.
Yeah.
And you want your audience to tell you that. You're looking for affirmation. Validation from your audience. Because it makes you feel good. Because you're so insecure and you have such low self-esteem.
Very low self-esteem.
And you wish you did have the confidence that me and my auntie have with a flat body, don't it? It is a serious of money that you could have made yourself better in America. You spend out everything and you're still lonely, bitter, and sad. And the big girls, them, we have a nice man. We smell so nice. We have a nice man we'll work with. Close at night and cuddle. And take we out. And shower we with gifts. And that one called my wife. Sweetheart, honey. And he still called me right through the day after 30 years. Go and eat yourself up now. Go ahead. And you wash me here. You talk about my husband, buddy. You see for my husband, buddy. At that time, you hate me. At that time, you hate me. About 30 years, you're not get tired of that. If you get tired sugar stick that. What? Oh no, no, so me not come out here like this. Oh no, no. Men have to tell my kings and queens who me is. Them know who me is. And I know, say, when it comes to kids, that's a heartstring of mine. If you did call me name and cuss me like you usually do, I see them enough of them all the time. No big deal. Skip, next. Somebody said that it's okay, it's fine. Move on. Go on with my life. You put me in our life where you talk about a dead child. Me have to come out. I couldn't wait to come for you tonight. Couldn't wait. Come for me. Come for me. You can say anything you want to say. Anything. I'm going to give you a job. The next live you do about me, enjoy. The stars. Dinner is on us. You're welcome.
Yeah.
Hungry.
Because you need the help.
Broke. Delusional. You stalk with, you create fake pages for watch.
Come over here.
You watch everybody. You're first one upon the Plunker Boss live.
As soon as you get the ping.
You're
ping.
obsessed. I've never heard that woman call your name on our platform from me. I watch her. Never. I haven't heard it. I don't know. But I've never heard her mention your name. You brush your teeth with her name. You finger yourself to her name.
You dream about her.
Everything. And she's still alive. She still have her $700 juices. She still have her own mansion. I don't care if it's up on the gully. It's hers. Where's yours? I'm listening. I'm listening. Where's yours? Where's yours?
Crickets.
Go and plant up the backyard. Cause out there full of dirt. Go fix up the fence. All the time you're in there, go and fix up the fence. You understand? Go give it the place some curb appeal. Yeah? And come out for people name. Go and apply for the walking dog job, like I told you. Thank me later. Understand? Yeah. Yeah. Go and clean up your place. You understand? And leave people, business alone. People that's not seeing you, not looking at you. We have too much go on in our life. We know what it's like to be without. So we come here to achieve the things that we could not achieve. We could, but it would be harder. So we come to make use of the opportunity. Not for live upon nobody. Not for bad mind nobody. Not for show off upon nobody. You understand? Yeah. Thank you, Carlene Smith. Thank you.
Thank you, Carlene.
Takia Hamilton. Thank you for the 40 stars.
Thank you for the stars.
And for anybody else who sent stars. This wasn't about a star party. This was me coming out here to tell that BITCH, the nerve she has. When it comes to kids, chocolate don't play. Love kids. They're so innocent. Breaks my heart when something happened to a child. Not only a child, just a human being, but it's just because a child's so innocent and they can't defend themselves. Yes. I don't just talk. I have witnesses in my life to tell you what I've done for kids back home. Not only kids, baby mothers, single mothers. And I don't come out here and talk about it. You understand? There's no reason for me to do that. Yeah. Out of my and Vanilla's pocket. Yeah. So when I just come out, you can run up on topic because we want people to see we.
No.
My husband see me all the time. My family see me all the time. Me not lack attention. Understand?
We're not deprived of attention.
We're not deprived of attention. That's why we appreciate people. Anybody we meet with will tell you. We appreciate people and them time and them interest in us. And we support people that we like. It might take us a little time because we have so much going on in our lives, but we try to touch everybody that we support with a little support in what they're doing. That's how we roll. Yes, we believe in a woman empowerment, but not every woman want to be empowered.
True.
We can't empower every woman. Some of them just have woman parts, and that's all they have. We are not God. We can't turn water into wine. We can't turn duppy into human beings. We have to go. We have to connect with people. When a man seeing other women succeed and cheer for them genuinely, without any expectation, without wanting anything in return, more than just to see them excel and shine. We're not intimidated by any woman out here whatsoever.
None.
And I will lift my right hand to God and swear I don't see an individual on social media that I bad mind, wish I could be, or want to be, or envy in any way, shape, or form. If I'm gonna see it, nothing when I look for in return. You understand?
Nothing.
When we came out for the Planka Boss the first time, someone, and she dep on my life, will tell you, I have a business page on Facebook that I spend hundreds of dollars to advertise my business through. And that person said to me, well, since you met the Planka Boss now, why don't you have the Planka Boss advertise for you? I said, that will never happen. Never.
True.
I said, I will never do that. Not because she's not capable, not because I don't love her, but that's the last thing I want anybody to say, that what I did was for an opportunity. Because even if I pay her, that would have been said. And I said, no, no. My business page is doing fine. You understand? It has over, at that time when she mentioned it, we had over like 30-something thousand followers on there, right? Surpassed that a long time ago. You know what I'm saying? But that person said that to me and me shut it down. No.
Not happening.
No. Been to Jamaica so many times after that. Didn't come on live because I knew if I came on live, people were gonna ask me to go see her. And I said, I won't go until I'm ready. And I don't want Jamaica to be the first place. I was so excited that I got the chance outside of Jamaica. Because when I do things, When I care about people, it's from my heart. And my friends, them, but sit down in this live, will tell you, that's me.
Genuine.
Genuine. And even if, let me tell you how I am, even if I love this lady and she says something to offend me, I will never come out here and say anything. I would just not speak about her anymore. I probably still would. You know what I mean? I would probably still would. I wouldn't let anybody know. That's just how I am. Yes. I don't support people, and then automatically if they say something to me that I don't like, then I turn against them. I don't know. Love no work like that. Care no work like that. That's why I don't get it with people on social media. As soon as them fall out, you're the worst person in the world. Me hate you. How does that happen? That mean it wasn't genuine, right?
Have all these kinds of negative things to say and stuff.
Yeah. So, when they talk about opportunity and clout, we laugh over here. Yeah, we laugh at ourselves. Because what kind of opportunity we're looking for? Funny.
Right.
We got the opportunity. There was an opportunity, actually. Let me fess up. The opportunity was to look her in the eyes and tell her how proud
we are
of her. And I got that opportunity.
Yep.
Yes. I got that opportunity. Yes. So, guys, anybody want to call for the
ticket?
The tickets. The selfie light is so hot. It's right in my face. You're not feeling it, but it's right. I can stand them selfie light.
Tilted side.
Yeah. So hot. Yeah. Big up on yourself, kings and queens, and just know, I'm not take back nothing what I say. Come and mean it light. Understand? Me not take back nothing what I say. Me speak from my heart. That's how I feel. I'm pissed off about being placed in on a live or in content about a child that passed away so terribly. Me not play when it comes to kids. Me not take back nothing. I mean everything me say. She need to go walk dog. She need to go fry dumpling. She need to go clean up the roadside of Jamaica. And she need to leave well alone. Yeah. Bless upon herself here. I come back for service. Mega prayer. Mega prayer. And come back for service Sunday. And make her have a good old time. Because God knows it. If she did leave me alone, I want to come out here tonight. Yeah. And God knows I'm a human being. And God knows how I feel about kids. No fried dumpling walk dog. Yes, walk dog. Dog walker. Pep Pep. Pep Pep. Love you guys, and there's nothing you can do about it. Just remember, we have this ticket, so even if nobody calls in tonight, you can reach out to us on WhatsApp. We really don't want it to go to waste. We spend what $100 and something on buying it, and we'd really like for somebody enjoy it, so reach out and we'll hand it over. Yeah. And as soon as we get through with those trackers, we're gonna bring them here, and you guys just let me know who wants them, and that's it.
Yep.
That's it.
Plain and simple.
Good night. I love you guys. Yeah.
Good night to all the kings and queens.
And my condolences. I really want to say this in another live. I don't want to mix that. I'll just write something. I don't want to mix what happened with that child in this life. Yeah. God bless you guys. I love you guys. You will donate to the teachers?
I think trackers they meant.
Oh, I'll donate to the, I don't know, it's probably a error. Big up yourself, Stacy.
Big up Stacy.
Jackie Gross. Desiree.
Oh, see, trackers.
Trackers, okay. Gloria Douglas.
Gloria. Nicole. Pauline.
Big up yourself, Nana Lynn Jerk. Big up yourself. Susan Pilgrim. Love you, Queen. Love you, Nationa. And
Jennifer
Dream.
Foster.
Love you. Jennifer Foster. Forsyth. Is that the name? Sophia. Maxine Foster.
Maxine.
Big up yourself. God bless you all. Have a wonderful night.
Have a blessed night, kings and queens. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.